something super fast, so this is perfect for a midweek meal. It's garlic, it's gingery, and it is a beautiful seafood stir fry that can be served on rice. Of course, you could put it with some noodles or something else if you prefer. So really simple. In the Ninja Foodi on SEAR and SAUTE, I really do hope you like the idea of this. Don't forget to hit the like button for me, and do subscribe down below as well, because it is free to do so and it really does help my channel so much. Let me know in the comments if you're going to give it a try, and if you do want to purchase any of my cookbooks or you'd like my written printable recipes, they're all available over on my website with loads more information over there as well. It's www.susannahskitchen.uk. So I'm going to go and do a little tiny bit of prep. It's so minimal this. It's done in like 5-10 minutes. So you just want to start with some spray oil in the bottom of your pot. Pop that onto SEAR and SAUTE and get that nice and warm. And once it's warm, we can start making this very quick and easy, simple recipe. This honestly only takes about 10 minutes to make, so it really does make a great midweek meal, this one. So I start by putting in my sliced garlic. Now I've used 1 clove because it was a very, very large clove, as you can see, but ideally probably 2 standard size cloves are going to be good. You need to be careful not to burn your garlic, so you don't want your SEAR and SAUTE on really, really high, and it will just colour very, very quickly if you're not careful. So start off with that garlic. Then with your ginger, now I've used ginger paste. If you do actually want to use a fresh ginger, you could just grate the ginger in, and that is coming up next. Now you need to be careful if you're using paste like me, because that oil in that pot is really, really hot, and as you can see it will start spitting and it starts bubbling really, really quickly. So do be aware of that. Be very, very careful. If you need to just lift your pot up slightly, which is often what I do, just to remove a little bit of that heat, then you can do that, but just be a little bit careful at this stage if you're using the paste. As you can see here, I just lift the pot just to reduce the heat a little bit, just so I can get in there, stir that round. And again, we just need to be careful not to burn the garlic. Browning it is fine, but we just don't want it to taste bitter. So when the garlic and the ginger have had 1 to 2 minutes, then you go in with your seafood. Now the seafood, you want that defrosted, and I've had mine just covered with cling film, and I've popped it in the fridge. Obviously you can put it in on the side for less time. Add in that defrosted seafood. I've got a mixture here, and this was just like a frozen seafood pack from the supermarket, and this is prawns, squid and mussels. You'll see that the prawns will start to go pink and that seafood will start to cook through. It really doesn't take long. 3 to 5 minutes is going to be plenty. You've got lots of heat in that pot. That is the beauty of this dish. It really is very, very fast. Now you can add in a tablespoon of soy sauce. You can use tamari if you need to, if you need a gluten-free option. And then I sliced up my spring onions and add those in, and then we just toss all of this together. Now this recipe serves just 1 person, but of course you can double this up, triple it up, etc. So you can definitely cook this for more people. You've got plenty of space in your pot, and you can serve this on whatever you like. I'm going to be putting this on a bed of rice, but of course you could use noodles or something different. You could add extra vegetables into this as well if you like, but I love the simplicity of just the garlic, ginger, spring onions with some soy sauce and that seafood. It's tasty. All served up, my ginger and garlic seafood stir fry, really quick and easy on a bed of rice there, and I've got my chopsticks at the ready. Not that I'm very good at using them. Let me know if you're any better than me. Hope you give this a try. I hope you enjoy this very quick and easy midweek style dinner. It's tasty, so give it a go.